So I said I'd get this video out before the first giving away the asset packs to the competition winners, and joining me to give away these asset packs is Princess Boars. That's where you say hello.
Oh, hello.
Okay, now I'm going to read off the asset pack and you're going to read off the winner. How does that sound?
Good.
Yeah. Anything else you want to say to the people?
No, not really.
No? Okay. Some people think you're an AI. How do you respond to that?
I'm not AI.
How can we prove that?
I don't know how we can prove this.
Okay. Maybe you can sing a song.
No, I'm not singing a song.
Okay, shall we get on with it?
Yeah.
Okay. Modular wooden buildings.
Antoine.
Antoine. Good try. Modular castle building kit.
Wade the man.
Good job. Modular castle and dungeon mega pack.
Robert.
Modular sci-fi outpost.
Windblade.
Good job. Stylized nature.
Urkan.
Modular medieval town / docks.
Kamikaze.
Nice. Modular medieval village / bandit village.
Johann Last.
Modular post-apocalyptic town.
Amory Full ND.
What was that? I am Ryan D.
Oh, I am Ryan D.
Modular destroyed building.
Eventide.
Eventide.
Oh.
Good job. Modular medieval town mega pack.
Rory.
Modular dungeon dark holes.
Anonymous.
Modular medieval fantasy village.
Rudy Arter.
Modular haunted house was won by...
Wizard of Oz.
But I didn't get a video of that. That's on me. Modular Wild West town.
Noah.
Native American village.
AGM.
Modular dungeon Temple of Cthulhu.
The Viking Reaper.
Modular medieval houses.
Pixie. Barack.
Good job. That. Modular desert town.
Josh.
That was easy.
Joshua.
No, just Josh. It says Josh. Abandoned factory.
Katik Gupta.
Kartik Gupta.
Oh.
And that's everyone's. So you're in another free video. How do you feel?
Good.
Yeah? You happy?
Yeah.
Nice. Right, I guess that's that then.
Yeah.
Right, see you in the next one. Happy Game Dev. Thanks
See
for
ya.
your support, and check your emails, guys, for all of those codes.